Hi, I'm Stuart from Number One Bead Shop, and today we're going to show you how to make this simple face shield which offers some protection against the coronavirus. This is not a shield that you, like the NHS, could wear, or you could wear for a prolonged time, as it would probably steam up through time, but it's a good shield to wear, like for opening your door to collect parcels or messages, or even taking your dog for a walk. First we take a laminate sheet, and at the end we just cut a little bit here, and then the ribbon, what we've done is we've doubled it up, so basically have a piece of ribbon 3 times the length of the laminate sheet, put it in the middle, fold one side over here, one side over there, and what we're going to do is once we've laminated it, we're going to pull that back out, but just make sure you keep the ribbon inside the laminate sheet so it doesn't catch when you're laminating it. Next we pop it through the laminator. As you see, the ribbon has been laminated inside. We'll do it a couple of times just to make sure it's really secure. Once you've laminated, get a tool, something like this, or use a small kind of nail or something, and you put it in, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull it out, like I've done this side already. It can be a little bit tricky because sometimes also it sticks to the laminate, but just give it a good tug. Hold on to the other side just to make sure you don't pull it all the way through. If you find it hard to get the ribbon out, simply just bend it over, and that just kind of loosens the ribbon from the laminate paper. There you go, and then use a little tool and pull the ribbon out. Model, I've used some tape. I've put that onto the laminate sheet before I glue the sponges on. There you can see. So here's my little sponge here, a little scouring pad. I'm going to cut this in half. And then what you do is you glue that on. I've used carpet glue, that's just a spray on glue which sets pretty quick, but you can use E6000. That's another good glue I could recommend. This is our finished face shield. As you can see from the front, the tape hides the sponge that we've glued onto the back. And what you do is you put it on, you tie the ribbon tightly, and the sponge will hold it in place, so it means it's very easy to slip on and slip off each time you have to use it. We do recommend when you wear the face shield that you also wear a mask. It gives extra protection against the coronavirus. It might look a little bit silly, but it keeps you safe.